Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Chukunon So Captures, aka Mazi. Chakom, aka the Photocosmetic Surgeon, back in Photo Lab for another camera tutorial. Shout out to all my clients out there. You are appreciated. Special thanks to all the models and muses out there. You keep me inspired. One love to all my supporters on social media. You keep me going. All right. So today we're going to talk about a very interesting and simple camera setting, and that is called ISO. So, like I mentioned before, your camera's like an eye, right? But kind of like the eye on your face, and it can get, just like the eye on your face, it can be sensitive sometimes, you know what I'm saying? So the ISO setting basically dials up or dials down the sensitivity of your camera's eye. It's really, I think, the sensor. It kind of tells your eye how extreme the light is, you know? So it basically tells your sensor the intensity at which to view any light that's coming in. Is it going to be very sensitive, right? Is your eye going to be very sensitive and get, you know, like, be very sensitive to all the light, you know what I'm saying, and like make the picture really bright? Or is it telling your eye to be a little bit stronger, not as sensitive, so even if it's really bright, it doesn't make the picture bright, and so the picture turns out to be a little bit darker, you know what I'm saying? So that's what ISO does, and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna share my camera screen with you. I'm gonna show you how to change the ISO setting, all right? All right, so let's go. All right, so welcome to my camera screen, and we are going to talk about ISO, a pretty simple camera setting. So that's this over here, and yeah, this is basically it. It's just kind of you can set which setting you want. The basic setting is ISO 100. You know what I'm saying? Some of them go down. You know what I'm saying? There's like an example picture here. It shows for like types of shooting scenes and shooting scenarios where you might use those ISO settings, but essentially, you got this like bright day, you know, waterfall. The lower the ISO setting, the more of a bright, you know, just like regular day it is. The more of just like a bright sunny day that's kind of like a well lit situation. The lower the ISO setting is, because you don't need your camera's eye to be that sensitive. There's so much light around, you kind of need a lower setting. Otherwise, you're gonna blow out the picture. It's gonna be too bright. It's gonna be too white. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of these lower settings are for like daytime, and so a lot of these lower settings are for daytime. And then as you get to some of the higher settings, you got some twilight evening and things like that. It looks like some this is like a cityscape, you know, and some indoor things like that. So these higher settings make the camera more sensitive, make the camera's eye more sensitive, kind of like the eye on your face, make it more sensitive, so that it can be the little bit of light that is available, it can see it better and brighten up the picture, you know? So that's kind of how it works here. Some cameras have like really high ISO settings, you know, for like stargazing, like nighttime star photography, like I think it's like, what's it called, like astrophotography, things like that. I might be wrong. I don't know if that's the name. Put it in the comment section if I said that. Give me the proper name if I said that proper. If I didn't say that correctly. I don't know. I haven't done too much of that type of photography, but I have taken pictures of the night sky before. Not really my niche, you know. I kind of more so do portraits and everything and parties. But yeah, so that's ISO. I mean, that's basically it. It's one of the three major pillars of photography. Up here, it tells you the ISO setting. Up here, you know what I'm saying? So whatever setting you set, it changes it up here, as you can see, ISO. And so as you change ISO, you probably want to balance it out with f-stop, which is aperture and shutter speed, but I'm not going to get into that right now. I'm going to make a dedicated video for that, but that's ISO for you. All right, so fun, simple, and easy, right? Really basic. So yeah, if this video helped you learn a little bit more about ISO, or just taught you a little bit more about just the way it works and why it does what it does, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Please like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share this video with a friend who might, you know, want to know more about this photography concept and any more of the concepts that I might talk about in future videos, because I try to link all my videos at the end. So just watch till the end and you'll probably see another video that I'll talk about a new camera setting, and you can learn more stuff about photography. So hit the bell notification, the bell button, so you can get a notification anytime I post a new video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you. I appreciate your support of this YouTube channel, and I will see you next time. Take care.